Hi guys, do you love onions? If you do, you need to watch this video because you can have onions in your garden or in the pot all year round. I remember in the Philippines in my parents' farm that we always have tomatoes all year round. Well, maybe it's because it's hot in the Philippines. That's why we have tomatoes, onions, we have all kinds of spices in my parents' farm. So I said I can do the same thing over here because it's hot in California and we have a place to plant. So that's what I did. So I have all kinds of little plants here and there, and of course I love onions and lemongrass and all kinds of herbs. So with the onions, I'll show you a little bit. Hello, my family and friends. If you love onions and you love to have soup, if you buy onions in the market, you cut the root area, and then plant it in the garden. You will have onions or long onions or green onions all year round. I'll show you how. So this is what you're gonna do. You need to plant the onions like that. Just cover it. Cover it. And then you have to water it. Here we go, guys. Need to water it. Guys, after a few months, you'll have lots of onions. And then you'll have onions all year round. See? I love onions, so I have to do this. And you don't have to take care of anything, it's just water them. And then you have to cultivate the soil, cut this yellow stuff, and they will be happy. Or this dried onions, they'll be happy.